we welcome you all. Today we are going to see the next topics in fifth unit of refrigeration and air conditioning system. We are going to study the air distribution system, filters, and the meaning of effective temperature. First, the air handling system. The air handling system consists of the air distribution system, the duct system, and the fan. The air distribution system comprising inlets and outlets. The various inlets for recirculated air, outlets for supply air. The next duct system. The duct system including return duct, supply duct, and other apparatus like dampers, filters, coil, or air hose. The fan provide the necessary energy to move the air in the duct or air conditioning system. This is the schematic airflow diagram for an air conditioning system. This diagram shows how air is handled in a simple air conditioning system. A closed loop is formed for the circulation of air. In this case, the reference point is the room. It is at atmospheric pressure. The air enters the return duct through the inlet from the room. The pressure of the air is decreases in the flow direction, and the air reaches the fan. The fan raises the pressure of the air. Then the air flow through the outlets to the room. So this is the simple airflow diagram of an air conditioning system. So the air from the room supplied to the return duct through the inlets, and the pressure of the air is decreases continuously in the flow direction, and the air pressurized by the fan. The high pressure air is flow to the room through the outlets. This is the simplest airflow diagram. Next, the requirement of good air distribution system. Here the requirement is the air distribution system should create a proper combination of temperature, humidity, and air motion in the occupied zone or conditioned room with occupied zone, which is normally at 1.8 meter above the floor level. The next requirement is the variation in a temperature in a single room shouldn't be more than 1 degree Celsius. The temperature variation in the conditioned room should be less than 1 degree Celsius. The desirable air velocity is 9.1 meter per minute at the occupancy level. The principles of air distribution. The first one is the blow or through. Blow or through means it is the vertical distance traveled by the air in the horizontal direction on leaving the air outlet and reaching the velocity of 15 meter per minute. It is the distance traveled by the air stream in horizontal direction. Simply in horizontal direction. Drop is the vertical distance the air moves after it leaves the outlet and reaches the end of the blow. Blow means horizontal distance, drop means vertical distance traveled by the air. Induction ratio or entrainment ratio. The air leaving the outlet is primary air. The supply air entrains some room called secondary air. So the sum of the primary and secondary is called total air. The induction ratio is the ratio of total air to the primary air. So these are the blow, drop, and induction ratio are the principles of air distribution system. Next, the filters. So filters use the principle of straining, impingement and interception. Filters filter the air. There are three grades of filters: roughing filter, pre-filter, high GPA filters in the refrigeration system. The roughing filter uses the principle of straining, and it has number of layer of net with a layer provided with a resin, impregment, synthetic medium. These all the layers are stretched together. Next, the pre-filters. The pre-filter use the method of impingement. It's largely depend on the inertia of force of the filtered particle. The third filter is the HEPA filter. These filters use the principle of combination of impingement and interception. This filter made of submicronic glass fibers, and aluminum separators are inserted between the submicronic glass fibers. These fibers are heat resistant. The strength of the fiber, the retaining is the strength up to 320 degrees Celsius. The filter pack is sealed into a aluminum frame using the suitable adhesive, also provided with a rubber gaskets on sealing the faces. The efficiency of the filter. The efficiency of the filter is the ratio of difference between the number of particles before filter and number of particles after filter to the number of particles before filter. Human comfort. The last topic is the human comfort. Human comfort is the condition of the mind. Condition of the mind which express satisfaction with the thermal environment. There are a number of factors affecting the human comfort. The first one is the effective temperature, and next heat production and regulation in human body. Third one is the heat and moisture losses from the human body. Fourth one, moisture content of the air in the conditioned room. Fifth, quality and quantity of supply air. Next is the motion of the air in the conditioned room. The first one is the effective temperature. The degree of warm or cold felt by the human body depends mainly on the following factors, or the human comfort depends mainly on the following factors: dry bulb temperature, relative humidity, air motion. Here, the effective temperature combine the effect of these three factors, or in order to evaluate the combined effect of the three factors, the term effective temperature is employed. The numerical value of the effective temperature is made equal to the temperature of the silk saturated air, which produces the same effect of or sensation of warmth or coolness as produced under the given conditions. So the effective temperature plays the major role in the human comfort, and the amount of heat released from the human body is the major factor. Our body continuously emit the heat in all the modes. Next, the heat and moisture losses in the human body. There is the sweating in the human body. The sweat, the liquid evaporate in the room. It increases the moisture content of the conditioned room. The fourth one is the moisture content of the air. The quality or the conditioned room should have minimum moisture content in the air. The next is the supply air from the refrigeration system should be high quality or pure air, and quantity, amount of volumetric flow of the air. The air motion. Next is the air motion. These are the factors affecting the human comfort. Thank you. Thank you.